Adding a new texture to CabMaker requires a couple of steps and some considerations. If you notice, the image, if it was placed, a second one was tiled above the first, etc., and one was tiled to the right, etc., they look like they're going to pretty much fit together and look like a continuous tile. That's what you're after. So this little bit right up top and this little bit at the bottom should match up nicely. Okay, if it doesn't, we'll have to try it again. But anyway, we start with a JPEG file, a JPG file, and you store it in the image folder, which is under GKWare CabMaker. Okay, now the next step is to open up the colors.txt file, and we're going to add a new one in here called crazy, which is what the JPEG is. Okay, the other thing you can do with this file is if you don't want all these internet colors, you can remove as many of them as you want. Okay, and then save this as underneath config as colors.txt. Okay, now you go to the textures file and you have to add in crazy as well. And equals, basically what this is how big will the pattern look. Okay, so let's say we say 12 inches. So we're saying that the pattern is a 12-inch repeat. Okay, well, maybe let's go 24. Seems to work for most of things. And save as, and again, we're going to put it into config folder. Okay, and lastly, what we need to look at is this file has the same name and it's inside the images file. Okay, so we can look in there and take a peek, and inside images we have crazy. Okay, once you've done all that, then it's simply a matter of opening up SketchUp and opening up CabMaker, and when you go into materials now, you will see these as a choice. So here's now crazy, so we can put in crazy and we can do it that way, or we can check off everything that's in that color, which is all these crazies, and then now we're going to unlock the template and we're going to do a save as, and we're going to call it crazy. Okay, now that we've done that, we can add the crazy material set into the project and then create a cabinet using crazy. So we're going to pick a 4-drawer cabinet and add it in, and there's your new texture called crazy. If you want to do colors, special colors, you do the same thing. It goes in as a JPEG and you give it a name, and you give it your color that you want, and you're good to go. Thank you very much for watching. Bye now.